13.8 billion years ago, the universe exploded. Not with destruction, but with breathtaking design. The Big Bang Theory, the birth of everything. But what caused the bang? What existed before time? Before atoms? Before light? What if this wasn't random? What if the greatest explosion ever heard was actually the first whisper? From a mind? From a designer? What if science doesn't cancel faith? What if it confirms it? The Big Bang Theory says the universe began in an instant, from a singularity smaller than an atom. Time, space, matter, all born in a flash. But everything that begins has a cause. So, what caused this? Science can describe the what, but it struggles with the why. Could the Big Bang have been the moment when God said, "Let there be light"? Gravity, nuclear forces, the speed of light, all perfectly balanced. So precise that even a tiny shift would make life impossible. This is called fine-tuning. Sir Fred Hoyle, an atheist astronomer, once said, "A super-intellect has monkeyed with physics. Why does everything seem perfectly set up for life? Not just habitable, intentional." Earth orbits in the Goldilocks zone. Not too hot, not too cold. Protected by a magnetic field enriched with water, oxygen, and stability. Even its place in the galaxy is ideal. Safe, yet with a clear view of the stars. So much balance, in just one blue dot. Could it really be chance? Or was Earth handcrafted for life? You can wonder, choose, love. You're not just atoms, you're aware of being alive. But how did consciousness evolve from dead matter? Science can scan your brain, but it can't explain your soul. Maybe that's because you weren't just born of stardust. You were designed by the same mind that ignited the stars. Faith and science aren't enemies, they're partners. Isaac Newton believed in God. So did Kepler and Pascal. They studied the universe because they believed it was intelligently made. Faith is not the enemy of reason. It's the foundation for asking the biggest questions. The more we discover, the more awe we feel. The Bible says something bold. Through him all things were made. Colossians 1:16. The same God who designed black holes and quasars walked among us. Jesus. Not a myth, not a metaphor, but the cosmic architect in human form. He healed the sick, controlled nature, defeated death. The one who created light became the light of the world. The universe is vast. You are small, but not forgotten, not random. You were made with purpose, by a creator who knows you. Science explains the how, but only God can answer the why. Tonight, look up at the stars and ask yourself, what if I'm not alone? What if the universe began with me in mind?